Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials I am going to show you how to make a single specific header menu item text font bold in Shopify. Also how you can highlight by changing the color, by changing the font family, or a lot of things. Basically in this short video you are going to learn how to customize your header menu specific menu item without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, and you can highlight it as you wish or as you want in a quick time. So let's get started. So if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store by yourself, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. So let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store and we wanted to highlight or make bold a specific menu item. For example, we wanted to highlight new arrival. It will be bold. So to do this, first you have to right click on your mouse. I'm going to show you the very deep way so that you can change any specific menu item when you want without watching any others video or waste your time by hearing a lot of unnecessary story. Okay, so when you right click on your mouse, the pop-up or dialog box will be open. Then select inspect and very simply just click on this icon and select your menu item. We wanted to select this one. Okay, looks very carefully. Select this one. Then simply click on this plus icon, new style rule, click on it, and now click on here. Looks very carefully. Okay, then type font weight bold. You see it's bold. Then we can add color we can make white. You see, or if you want we can make red or any other color as we want. You see, okay. Also if you want to change anything, for example font style, we can make italic, normal. Okay, so we keep it italic. Okay, so now how you can implement this code? Very simple. Just put your mouse on here and right click of your mouse, then a new dialog box will be open. So just put your mouse on here, looks very carefully, and right click of your mouse, then open a dialog box. From here copy rule, click on it or select it. Okay, we have done so far. Now go back your Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store. Then click on this three dot icon, edit code, and in here search base.css file. Just type base, then open base.css file. Open this file, go to the bottom of this file, make some space, and you have remembered that we have copied this code. Just click on here, copy rule, I show you again, and paste it in here. Simple. Click on the save, asset save. Now go back and reload. Wow, it's working. In the same way, if you want to highlight any others collection, any other single menu item, for example shop by collection, we wanted to highlight this one, then we have to do the same things. Looks very carefully. Looks here, shop by collection, then click on this plus icon, new style rule, and simply start customize or highlight color. You see, font weight, bold. Yes, if we want to add more things, for example we want to add background red, just for show you, border radius 5 pixel. So simple, though it's not professional way, we can just keep it bold and change the background, change the color of font. It looks good. Then simply copy new rule, go back your base.css file and paste it. Also remove this one that we have added in the previous, because we cannot highlight two things in a one time in the header, it's unprofessional. So click on the save, asset save. Now it will be removed and it will be highlighted. Just reload. Wow, you see, very simple. So I hope you understand how to customize header single specific menu item as your wish or as your own way without any coding skill or hiring a developer. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.